Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we've got our October boxes. I'm very excited. It's October, you guys. We are super busy this month. I have so much going on. I am definitely appreciating all the nice weather we've been having and not having to turn on the AC and just enjoying the weather. So I hope you guys are enjoying it too. And yeah, we're just gonna get into it. Really don't have anything else to say, so we're gonna go ahead and get unboxing. If you guys want to see what's inside this October box, then let's do it. I'm sure you guys have noticed also that there has been a price increase, again, with many of the boxes that I am subscribed to. Let me know in your comments down below if that's starting to affect your idea of keeping your box or not, because I got charged this past month and I was like, that is slightly different than what I'm used to. I don't know if this is me and just me, but I have so many issues logging into my Ipsy account. Tons of issues. Like every time I open it, it says, oops, try refreshing your page. I've tried opening it up on the app. I try using it on the app. I try using it on the website. I've cleared my cookies. I've used different web browsers, and every so often I'm lucky enough to get into it. But it's taken a lot of effort, and I'm just wondering, is anybody else having issues with theirs? Maybe I don't know what's going on with my app. So we're gonna get into this. This is the bag for this month. Look at this. For those of you guys that are obsessed with Halloween, what do you think? The last couple months that I've done these bags, I know that they have been so good, and I've already seen something in here that I'm very excited about. The little bags, you guys, they have been the winners, and I'm gonna pull out the first thing because I already see it, and it's by Tatcha, and it is the Tatcha Dew Skincare, the skin cream, sorry, the little Tatcha skin cream. And this is good. This is so good. Now I can't use it year round, but come December, January, and February, this stuff is a lifesaver on my skin. Next thing I have in here is this little tiny palette by Viseart. I'm telling you guys, this little bag, it's where it's at. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. You pull the little tabs right here, and there you have it. The tiniest little eyeshadows. But you know what? This is perfect. I know I myself would use this. I have a Viseart palette. Look, here's some swatches right here. I do have a Viseart palette that I got in a other subscription box, and I use it constantly. It is phenomenal. It is like an all matte palette. It is amazing. It's definitely got me on the bandwagon. And again, such a great way to experience brands, especially if you're new to a lot of it. Next up I have is this here by Farrah. This is the Farrah Matte Liquid Lipstick. Speaking of liquid lipsticks, I actually have, I have the MAC Love Me Liquid Lip Colors. I have been a fan of these lip colors. They are very nourishing, which is a very strange thing for me to say because just past experiences with MAC lip colors, they can be very, very drying. But these right here, in this packaging, they are great. They are super comfortable to wear. I actually can top it with a lip gloss and it doesn't get nasty or crumbly. Really great. But here you have it, perfect for the fall. It's that rusty red color. Look at that. Very nice, deep burnt color. This is by Goldfaden. This is the Solution Dr. Scrub Microderm Exfoliator. I do not have that. I have their moisturizer. But this is just a daily exfoliator that adds hydration and removes dead surface cells. I have this by M2U NYC, and this is the eye primer. That is what I got in the little bag, you guys. This little bag killed it this month. Let me know what you guys have so far received in your little bag, or if you know this is good. This is a good bag. All right, what to say? Pretty Wicked. So the theme for this month, I forgot to tell you guys, but the theme for this month is called Pretty Wicked, and it says embrace the unconventional. We're gonna move on to the Glam Bag Plus, and here is the same theme. It's a little drawstring bag. The first thing I see here is this little red bag called This Works. It is a pads that gently remove makeup and daily pollution. Perfect for travel. So I'll definitely use that. Next up I have is by Sugar Rush. This is Tarte's other brand, Sugar Rush, and this is called the Clay Liner. It's easy on the eyes, and this is just in the shade Black. Next up I have is by a brand that I've seen before and we've received in previous boxes, but this is by Dermalect. Can you hear my kids running around upstairs? I apologize. This is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. Oh. So it's a serum that you use at night, and it has an it's supposed to revitalize dull-looking skin, help with fine lines, age spots, uneven skin tone. Oh, I freaking love this mascara. This is by Il Makiage, and this is the Icon High Volume Intense Curl Mascara. You guys, I'm sure you guys have seen them all over social media. They're kind of like one of the advertisements that pops up. I've seen them on like TikTok and Instagram. I know my mom uses their foundation in the years past. I think I've even talked about it here on my channel. I've used their foundation. It is full coverage. So if you need a full coverage foundation, it's really good. They do have an incredible shade range selection. I have a couple of blushes from them also, and I believe, I don't remember, maybe a highlighter, but I know for sure I thought I had blushes from them. Now, I have in the past used their mascara, and their mascara is really good. So I'm definitely excited to use this. Right now, I'm currently using the Camera Lights Action by Tarte, and it has been some time since I've used that mascara. I normally give like the little small sample sizes to my daughter, but it's been a while since I used that mascara, and I forgot how much I loved it. And I've been reappreciating some of these oldies. Oh, I actually needed a new one. So this is by Buddha. This is the Vitamin C Serum. Looks like this. And you just use 4 to 5 drops. When I use vitamin C serum, I just mix it straight into my moisturizer. And then the last thing I have here is another box, and this is a skincare product. It is the step 3 for the Murad line, and it is their Renewing Eye Cream. I've not ever used their eye cream. I've only ever used their Acne Solutions line. The spot corrector is phenomenal. It works so good. It was actually recommended to me by a long time ago by somebody else I watched on YouTube, and they swore by it, and then I used it for years, and it was great. It's really good, and you can get it at Ulta. So really like their line, so I'm hoping that their eye cream will work out. I'm pretty sure it will. I've always appreciated and loved a lot of the Murad products. But so we got 6 products, all really good, well-known brands that I've heard of before. Really good bag. I really can't tell which one I like more, because this one has some good skincare, and you've got the eyeliner and the mascara, and then this one had the little eyeshadow palette and the dewy cream. It's kind of a tie. Like, I don't know. They're both really good this month. You guys let me know if there's something that you really are excited about. I'm actually excited about quite a few things within the 2 bags themselves. But I really liked it. I thought it was a really good combination of products. Like, not too much skincare, not too much, well, there's never too much makeup, but you know what I mean. Not too much skincare or lifestyle stuff, like right on spot with what I would like. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you guys actually want to see what I'm wearing on my face, I actually filmed a TikTok, so it is on my TikTok, and it's the same as my username here. It's StephsBeauty05 if you guys don't follow me there. I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to check out my latest like tutorial, I just did kind of like a get ready with me, and we talked about new makeup products. I will link it right here for you guys. Check out this video, and I will see you guys all in my next video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.